Hello everyone, this is Anna. Welcome see our video. And these are our warehouse, the first floor. Let me show you our suspension parts. Our suspension parts have different producing ways and have two types material: the iron and aluminum. Let me show you the details. And here is our LESHI logo. And we can also sell the bush separately. Usually need MOQ. And look at the bushing, the control arm bushings, the curved holes. And look at the aluminum, the control arm, the bushings, the ball joint, and also have the LESHI logo and LESHI logo. And these are also control arm. And look at the details. Welcome, inquiry us. We will help you.